Hello everyone out there. My name is Krystal. I want you guys to know that this has been an exciting time for me in the workshop that Miss Toby Renee have had for the ladies here. I want to thank the whole crew that's a part of her team, because everyone have made a big difference in our life, participated and being a hands-on help for her. And it takes a team to make this work. So I thank the team for doing all that you guys have done. We have learned a lot. This is something that was given to me from my friend Charlotte to let me know to get on board. I saw the vision and I took it and I ran with it. I'm believing in God that He is going to bless this. He has blessed the teacher that has sown into our lives. So I want you to be encouraged to come out, get aboard. Let's get aboard. Let's help the sisters. Let's all come together and help. Let's lift one another up. This is a great opportunity to learn skills. It's a great opportunity to sit back and watch your art on people's walls and know that God had blessed your hands to be a blessing to the people. This is something that we need to take advantage of. She took her time out. Down to earth. She is so down to earth, so cool, made me feel welcome the day I walked in these doors. Even going through trials on her own, she persevered. That's someone I want to be a part of, their team. I want to be a part of that team. You guys, take advantage of this. Take advantage of it. Your money is worthwhile. I love you, and I pray that I can continue to stay aboard to grow, because even the length of time that I've been here, I've grown. Just the 2 days I've been here, she has poured so much into me. I am so excited, you guys. I am so excited, and I'm just looking forward to the next opportunity to join the workshop. Thank you. Love you.